Good evening and welcome to 200forexflips.com. I am here with the final analysis of 17th of September 2018. Okay guys, we have seen a very successful day today and I am going to give the analysis from USD CHF. Okay guys, first of all I have supplied the bearish signal in case of USD CHF. The entry was 0.96669 and the target price was 0.96355. And guys, you can clearly see that right from the entry we have seen a significant downward trend and USD CHF is down. Okay, now let's calculate the number of pips. 669 minus, you will come to know about this, 355, and we have taken 314 pips by taking a sell position on USD CHF today. So I congratulate all those traders who have taken the profit on USD CHF. Okay, now let's talk about AUD USD. A very easy signal from my side. I have supplied the clear bullish trend in case of AUD USD. 071627 was the bullish entry and 07197 was the target price. And guys, you can see we have seen a strong upward trend right from the entry and the market has moved up and it has went up to let me draw the line here. Okay, now let's count the number of pips. It's 627,938. 627 minus, sorry, it's 938, sorry, that's 938. So we can say 311 pips on AUD USD today. So hopefully all subscribers have taken the buy positions as per my recommendations and they must have booked the massive profit. Okay, now let's talk about Great Britain Pound USD. A clear bullish trend was supplied from 130,908 and I was expecting that today the market would reach out to 131 level and 131,301 was the entry. And guys, you can see it has break the entry few hours ago and it started to go up and it has even went beyond the barriers of my target price. So guys, you can just underestimate the idea about the number of pips from 1301 and the difference is 130,908, and that's a big difference if we talk about the Great Britain Pound USD. Okay, now let's talk about the second signal of the day. That's the New Zealand USD with a bullish expectation from 0.65603 and the target price was 0.65854. And you can see we have hit our target price within the same hour. So good thing about today's signal is this: we have hit almost the target price. That's very, I mean, you know that the signals, the gap in my signals is quite high, and we have hit the target price in most of the signals. So that's a very good positive factor. And if you look at the number of pips, we have got 259 pips just by trading New Zealand USD. Okay, now let's talk about Euro JPY. Let me drag down my report so that I can take you towards the signal. Okay, with a bullish expectation from 130,330 and the target price was 131,011. And guys, you can see we have already hit our signal. The market has touched the target price in the last hour, and even if you look at here, the scalper has pointed us with a buy arrow in the form of white arrow, and then you can see the market straight went up from the entry, and all subscribers must have closed their positions in a very positive manner. Okay, now let's talk about AUD USD. First of all, let me put the line where the market has gone. Okay, now you can see that from 80202 I have supplied the bullish entry for AUD JPY and 80676 was the target price. However, the market has went up to 80587. Now let's count the number of pips. 587 minus, if you minus 202, that's the result on the screen, that we have got 385 pips by just trading AUD USD, and the results are on the screen. Okay, now let's talk about the drop that is seen today on USD Canadian dollar, and I'm going to take you towards the signal. I have supplied the bearish signal for USD Canadian dollar from 130288. However, the target price 130002 is not met, because if you look at here, the market is making the recovery. However, you can see that if we make the number of pips, then if you minus 288 minus 66, then you will come that we have got 222 pips by just trading USD Canadian dollar in a bearish way. Okay, now we're going to talk about the losing trades. Okay, so guys, we have hit a massive day, and you know that we are doing a very good job right from the start of September, and hopefully all subscribers must have made very good profits. And guys, I have shared the shared on my Facebook page for those people who have made the profits, and moreover, this is for the newcomers who are just new to the trading channel. Let me explain about the trading system. Sell in the top red boundary with confirmation confirmations. If you see that the market is going down from the top red boundary, you can sell the pair, and when you see that the market is bouncing from the lower red boundary, and then you can take the buy positions, but just wait for the confirmation. Without the confirmation, you cannot trust on the indicators, and this is how we use the trading system. So guys, this is all about the traders analysis. So if you are looking to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, if you want to get these trading indicators that we have just discussed, if you want to improve your trading technique through my video lessons, or you want to request for Skype one-to-one live coaching, for all this, please send your inquiries on info@200forexclips.com. Please like my videos, subscribe my YouTube channel, and share the analysis with other traders. Thank you for watching the video.